Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can cancel or close an upcoming event or scheduled event on Calendly, like a team meeting for example. So let us dive into this. Head over to your account on Calendly, expand the left sidebar here, navigate to scheduling, go through your event types list here and click into the meeting you would like to customize, for example by clicking into these three dots. Now let me, for example, cancel that new meeting here. So what you want to do is turn it off first or deactivate it, and then it will be deactivated. You may turn it on back again, or you may delete it entirely by clicking into this button. And as you can see, the event type will then be deleted. And click into yes here. And that is going to remove the upcoming and scheduled event. Here, as you can see, it has been removed from that list. So you will need to create a new one by clicking into create and select one of these options. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.